Good morning, students. Have a nice day. I am your maths teacher. Today we see the new chapter, measurements, and we see some formula, area of the circle, and perimeter of the circle. First one, area of the circle, A equal to pi r square units. Perimeter of the circle, P equal to 2 pi r units. Then we see the next new idea, sector. What is a sector? In between the circle, the small part OAB is called the sector. A part of a circle, OAB, is called sector. In between these two radius, we have here angle theta. So in a sector, center angle is theta, then radius here, this L is called AB, this L is called length of the arc. So now we see the formula, length of the arc L equal to center angle theta by 360 into 2 pi r units, area of the sector capital A equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square units, perimeter of a sector P equal to L plus 2R units. Then note, perimeter of a semicircle P equal to L plus 2R. Here perimeter of a semicircle AB, this L, this AB is called length of the arc L equal to pi r units. Here OA is radius R and OB is another radius R. The semicircle has two radius, this R and this R. P equal to L plus 2R, L is pi r plus 2R, here R is common, pi plus 2 into R units. So perimeter of a semicircle P equal to pi plus 2 R units. The next, second one is perimeter of a circular quadrant P equal to L plus 2 R. This is a circular quadrant OAB. This OB and OA is R. This AB, L equal to pi r by 2 units. So P equal to L plus 2R, L is pi r by 2 plus 2R, then pi by 2 plus 2 into R, R is common. So area of a, perimeter of a circular quadrant P equal to pi by 2 plus 2 into R units. Now we see one example. The radius of a sector is 21 centimeter and its central angle is 120 degree. Find 1, the length of the arc, 2, area of the sector, 3, perimeter of a sector. Solution. Now we take down the radius and the central angle. Radius R equal to 21 centimeter, central angle theta is 120 degree. The first question is length of the arc L equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. Theta is 120 degree by 360 degree into 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 21. 7 ones are 7, 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3, 120 3s are 360 degree, then 120 degree by 120 degree get cancelled, remaining 2 into 22, L equal to 44. Therefore the length of the arc L equal to 44 centimeter. Second one is area of the sector A equal to theta by 360 into pi r square units. Central angle theta is 120 degree by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into R square is 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7, 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3, 12 threes are 36, here 0, so 123s are 360, here 120 degree by 120 degree get cancelled, remaining 22 into 21, இது ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா 462 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the area of the sector A is 462 square centimeter. The third one is perimeter of the sector P equal to L plus 2R units. L is 44 plus 2 into R is 21. So 21s are 42. So 44 plus 42. Area of the sector P equal, perimeter of the sector P equal to 86 centimeter. I give one exam homework, exercise 2.1, sum number 4, subdivision 1 and 2. Thank you, students.